Hi guys, so today I'm going to show what all you should have in your makeup kit, what all I usually carry. So let's start. Like, you can use this when you're traveling out, like for a day or two or for a long time. So let's start from basics. Small mirror, you should always have this because you can't open your phone always and then do your makeup. So it's a mirror, the first thing. Cream, moisturizer, whichever is suitable for your face. So after that, it's body cream. I use Vaseline, I just love it. And then sunscreen is a must while you're traveling out, that too in hot summer weather. And deodorant to smell good always. And powder, compact powder. Concealer, I prefer concealer over foundation. It is easier and it is very nice. I don't know why. And comb is a must. So if you're carrying comb, you know you should have a rubber band, clip, and you should have 2-3 clips like tic tac clips and these clips, tic tac clips. Then a small rubber band again, and then you should have an eyeliner. If you use eyeliner always, you should carry eyeliner. If you use it very rarely and you don't like it, avoid it. Have a lip balm always because you'll have chapped lips if you don't drink enough water. And kajal and a bindi. It's your choice if you apply bindi or sticker. And then lastly, lipstick. All these things are very important while you're traveling. So I just have all this fit in one big bag. So things like this. And here's the thing. So if you're going out within a day, like you're going morning and coming back in the evening, you should have only few things: a spoon, compact, and lip balm. These three should always be in your handbag or purse because it's essential. In the morning you will go and then you will sweat and your face look dull. So use compact.